I do feel that the objective was very well met. Students were very fluent, I felt, in dividing with remainders, even with word problems thrown at them. Some were more complex than others. Some were very basic, some were multi-step, some took a lot of comprehension, decomposing, breaking down. Some didn't. And students seemed to roll with the punches and talk to each other about it and collaborate, discuss, sometimes argue, but still come down to a conclusion of why they felt they were correct. And then if they weren't correct, they would change their answers. And when I would walk around, students were able to tell me how they felt that they got their answer and the strategy that they used to get that answer. And I feel they did a splendid job with dividing with remainders. After this lesson was cut off, the students did complete an exit ticket, which I checked for correctness. I put comments if they had something wrong. Typically it was just small mathematical errors that subtracted wrong or possibly had a math fact wrong. And so we were able to discuss their errors and they understood what was wrong and how to simply fix it. And then the very next day, since this was the last lesson to the topic, they did take an assessment on dividing with remainders. And they seemed to take it with ease. They didn't have many questions. They seemed to just, complete the test as normal. The only thing I would like to inform the panel of is that the audio was not very good at all. This was actually the 6th to 7th lesson that I recorded with the loudest sound possible for the students. Now, I had the microphone up here for most of the lessons so that it could hear me, but what I learned as I kept videoing, that I actually had to detach that speaker and put it in the middle in front of their mouths so that it could pick up partially what they said. Still did not pick up a lot at all, unfortunately. It's very disappointing because it did not catch a lot of really good discussions that the students were having. But other than that, I feel like the lesson went really, really well, and I'm very proud of the students. They did a great job. Thank you.